Although rain falls freely from the sky, a lot of work goes into delivering every drop. After it rains, the water runs off the hills into streams and rivers, and we collect it in one of our 91 reservoirs. This raw, untreated water then goes through several cleansing processes at our treatment works to produce clean, fresh water. Treated water is then stored in large tanks called service reservoirs before it makes its way through over 27,500 kilometres of pipework and into homes and businesses. This process happens repeatedly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and allows us to deliver over 800 million litres of clean, safe drinking water to our 3 million customers every day. That's enough to fill around 320 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Since the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic, water use has increased across the country, with all of us washing our hands more regularly and for longer. And as the weather gets warmer and drier during the summer, we expect this demand to increase again, particularly in key tourist spots like South West Wales and North Wales, as more people take holidays in the UK. So it's important that we all use a little bit less and save a little bit more by taking showers instead of baths, not leaving taps running, putting a full load on in the dishwasher and washing machine, and reusing paddling pool water on the garden and plants. We're asking our customers to spread the message of saving water to our visitors this summer.